we are together seeing major climate change impacts across our African continent. These include the ongoing drought that has ravaged eastern parts of our country and precipitated famine, as well as the 2020 floods that we saw here in East Africa, which affected over 1 million people. Additionally, and this is notable, is that the worst locust outbreak in 25 years, which left about 1 million people food insecure in the Horn of Africa, and the March 2019 Cyclone Ida, which affected more than 1.5 million people in Mozambique. Further evidence does indicate that climate change will have a devastating sub-economic impact across the world, but quite severely here in Africa. If we do not take any action, Africa could, as a consequence, see its gross domestic product contract by up to 30% by 2050 due to climate change. While impacts will vary across the region, we anticipate that climate impacts will lead to overall yield reductions of at least 20% by 2050. Increased flooding will raise the risk of malaria, while frequent droughts will put severe stress on our water resources. So, ladies and gentlemen, for Africa, a low-emitting continent, the main priority is adaptation, and it is now an urgent imperative. We need to accelerate action to moderate the negative impacts of climate change, facilitate adjustment to expected climate impacts, and strengthen our capacity to absorb, accommodate, and recover from climate change effects.